guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and this is the Innova Leopard fairward driver disc. After using it for a full day, I think this is the perfect driver for beginners like me. It's great for medium to long range drives. I've gotten some very nice throws about 250, 300 feet with no problem. Once I got the hang of it, I was able to make very stable throws and pretty far, which felt very nice. The disc itself is very well made. It takes very little effort to throw and it flies pretty straight. It has a very nice glide, and I got it in a very nice and bright green color, which is very helpful to find when I don't throw it well. If you're looking to start disc golf as a beginner like I was, I really recommend this disc. And that is my point of view.